Did you know that there is a chocolate workshop in Jamaica? Follow us on this super cool trip to Ocho Rios. Here is the first sampling and I immediately knew I'm at the right place. The tour starts with an inspiring story of how the company got started. Then we're getting into business. Apron on and the instructor is giving us already the first lesson in chocolate making. Okay, this is so much fun. I am loving this. It is hands-on experience, which I really love. Then we get to make and design our own chocolate bar, which we can take home after. People, I love this experience. Book your tour as well and taste Jamaica's best chocolate. Also, I will have the best veggie burger in town and swim at the most iconic waterfall. But there is a huge problem, so stay tuned for that one. This is going to be a very exciting day. We're here in Ocho. Yes, a different tour. We're gonna do a chocolate tour. Can you imagine? Guys, I didn't even know this exists. Anyway, before we start making our own chocolate, we shall have a coffee. Because we cannot start today without a coffee. Nicole is somewhere. I think she already got her coffee, if I'm not mistaken. That's why we are big up this place, you know. Yeah, Jablum. Guys, we got to start the day with a coffee. So Jablum is where it is. So we have a nice, good coffee right here. Yeah, that's how we do it. Guys, you see, Choco? Sound like a good idea? I think so too. Yeah.
It's been waiting for the right day. Like the right day ever comes, now it's Friday.
Oh, that's so cool. I love compliments when we haven't done anything, right? 30 US dollars? Mm-hmm. People were in Ochi talking dollars.
We're not talking about it.
Oh man. How does this look, guys? A coconut earring. That's creative. People, how creative is this? We have coconut earrings, ackee, guinea, bun and cheese, patty, hardo bread, a cocoa bread.
So, which one should I buy?
See the ackee earrings?
I love it. Alright, I'm trying to think, where would I wear it outside too? Because I have to buy things.
Look here, when you step into New York, you have to wear it. I represent, I have to work.
These are the only earrings I travel with when I travel, I swear.
Guys, we are back. Outside. Guys, today I'm super excited. We are actually on a chocolate tour. We get to make our own chocolate, right? Mm-hmm. Super cool.
The whole workshop in the back.
Yes, and I'm gonna take you guys along with this. So stay tuned if you want to see.
Very exciting.
Well, I will taste for you guys and let you know, but you can see how it's done. All right, cool. You ready?
It smells really good in here. Delicious. Cannot wait to eat what we make.
It does smell strong. So here we have the chocolate. Yeah, so we're waiting on a tour. It starts at 10 o'clock. So I'm super excited to do my first chocolate tour in Jamaica. Yes. So I'll let you know so you can book this as well.
Yeah, he painted it so, you know?
Oh! The art! Look at the art.
He knows Taj and he knows all the others on the art. You know what? I'm going to do
Amazing.
figure out, and then he can just present it.
Love it.
That's what we keep doing. I'm never going to see that girl again.
All these designs. I'm not gonna ask too much question now. I'm gonna do the tour first, and then if there's any question left, guys, then we will gonna ask that. I'm trying to wake up for now.
He has a backyard with a lot.
What you say, a lot looks like.
Lot of trees.
And so you're hot liquid, and you have, so the ball
This is post-grating.
thing that you see, it's the first thing that you see. Right. So we wanted to make sure that they have the credit, and they're amazingly talented. Tash Francis is a huge thing right now. What the jerk season, I'm going to ask everybody to...
No.
No. Do it together.
Hold on. Let me put my video
So
on.
nobody eats it. Everybody's going to eat it at the same time.
Jerk.
Don't worry about it. I promise you, it's the journey that you'd want to take.
So this is jerk seasoning.
Jerk seasoning chocolates,
Mm-hmm.
like only in Jamaica. Huh?
So wait
Come here,
until
please.
everybody.
Yeah, wait until everybody has it. Sorry, Matt.
Wait, we gotta wait. Alright.
Alright,
Gonna taste this all together.
ready? We're gonna all take it together. Ready? Alright, 1, 2, 3, go out, show it. This chocolate is not to be melted, it's to take piece.
Oh, joking?
Yes.
Because I
just
don't
chew
like
it.
jerk.
First, you'll have a mouthful of dark chocolate, then you'll have some sea salt, then you'll have some seasoning from the jerks. So you see this, you taste the scallion, maybe the onion, a little soy, and then when you kick of spice, but it's not overpowering, where you will hate it, all of it.
What was it in Peru, which I nearly spit out?
No, it was a pepper chocolate.
Oh, Scotch bonnet pepper chocolate.
Some
Something
pepper
pepper.
Scotch bonnet crown. I don't. It's not bad because I don't taste it. It's not strong. So
No,
it's
and we deliberately did that. We didn't want the pepper to be the face
can
of
work.
this chocolate. But we do have one with Scotch bonnet.
I did like it. I personally like the pepper
Yeah,
one.
I
I did.
So we have, for persons who want more spice, we have the one with.
Although
with
I can
pepper.
see why jerk would make sense because allspice I think tastes good with chocolate, like pimento.
Alright.
That makes sense actually. I can see it.
We have not only won awards for the cocoa beans, but we've also submitted all our bars to the Academy of Chocolate, which is the Oscars of dark chocolate bars. And how many awards do we have now? 14 out of 15.
Wow.
Ew.
So we do it,
That's
right?
so cool.
So 14 out of 15 are here, and we have 14 awards. They all range between gold and bronze.
Ooh, that's so exciting.
Voila! Now it's getting real. Yes, I'm really loving it.
So we're gonna put this on. Yep. Ready to make some chocolates.
Here where we have the full beans, we have a machine that calls a winnower. After roasting winnowing, we have cooking. So winnowing is the extraction from the skin to the bean. Then no, not that one. Not that one. Stick, dip it, twirl, and then that's you. If you want to taste both, you can take 2 sticks, repeat, dip it, twirl, and then dispose your stick after. So you want to, so you can just come on in a line, just make one line and come on if you want to try. 2 sticks, dip, twirl,
Is it
that's
hot?
you. Yeah, it's warm.
Warm? I'm not gonna burn my tongue.
No, not that warm.
Boil it on.
Dip, twirl.
That's it. Yeah.
Ooh, that's yummy.
2 sticks if you want to try both. Rum. That's rum over there, and this one is coffee. Yeah. So if you do want to try both, take 2 sticks. We have coffee and we have rum.
Rum always wins. It's the combo. Rum, chocolate.
Oh, the reason why anyone ever make rum before? You have? So because brown sugar has molasses inside of it, it will be harder to tell when your caramel is ready. So this is the reason why you want it height, because of the bubbling reaction, it will just come right over and burn you. Sugar and heavy cream is very simple. So you can make this at home. So no more going to Starbucks and getting one caramel frap.
I still will, but
So I'll be walking around for you guys. So I'll be walking around to you guys' station for you guys to try. So everyone know the temperature for boiling water, right?
this is hotter than that.
Which is
100.
100 flat. So this is about 180. So as soon as I place it down, please do not stick your finger inside. Please. Yes, you can try your caramel now. Everyone's supposed to use this one. Everyone's supposed to be familiar with this one in COVID time. This was your best friend. And this is called a scraper and this is called a palette knife. So the scraper is used to move around your chocolate. And then your palette knife is used to skin your scraper. Oh, temperature on the crystals.
Oh, I see.
Prize on the outside when you finish your workshop. Excuse, who is confidential? Who's if you have the prize?
Alright, so we've been rated now on our designs. Thank you.
So we calling out the initial for you guys.
Look at my design. And then we have our little. Alright, so this is my artwork.
You can choose. I'll be giving you guys. I'll be okay, like ice. Eat it out, remove it, and then that's your bar. If you have less toppings, you just flip it over, and then that's your bar. I'll be giving. Where's my bucket like ice?
Oh shit.
Is there another burger person? Yeah.
I'm gonna seal it. This was so much fun. I love my chocolate box. Alright. Alright, you can seal it. This was such a cool experience. I loved it. People, if you are in Ochi, do the chocolate experience. Yes, from pure chocolate, Jamaican brand, Jamaican made, Jamaican everything, with a good Jamaican cocoa. Yes, very informative and beautiful story about how the shop came to life, and it's just nice, the story behind the chocolate and their business. Very beautiful, and the tour, excelente, 10 out of 10. I had so much fun creating my own chocolate, and guess what, the chocolate is nice. Yes, people, that's a very nice, good tasting chocolate. Let me know if you love chocolate. Let me know in the comments if you are, ew, like, pop down people, please. All right, let me know if you also love chocolate, and if you would be interested in such tour, then check them out. I will leave their information in the description. And yes, so we came from Kingston, so we're spending a day here in Ochi, and that's just a fun thing to do, right? So now, depending on the weather, you can go and go to waterfall and do all the fun stuff. So we're gonna see where we're gonna have lunch and then chill out and then go back to Kingston. Yeah, so very nice, I love it. Alright, so these are the chili pops. No, not chili pops, chill pops. They're super nice. This is mango passion fruit. Can't go wrong with that. And then I haven't been swimming for such a long time. I have to find a little beach or something and just chuck off. Because people, mermaid cannot be out of the water for so long. So beautiful. It makes me laugh. Laughing waters make me laugh. That is just amazing, guys. I think it's a very unique situation we have in here, because the waterfall comes right into the ocean, and that's why it is special. Oh my god, so pretty, so beautiful. Oh my god. Even though the weather is not giving me much, I don't want to even take off my clothes. Guys, I forgot how cool this place is. I mean, look at this waterfall. Right? Waterfall. Ocean! Yes, the waterfall goes right into the ocean, and that makes this place extremely special. me, who's actually now kind of used to ice baths, but I don't know. So we have this lovely place, guys. I'm just excited because we took some nice pictures. If you want to see them, go over to my Instagram account and check them out. I had to do an immediate happy dance when I saw how nice the pictures came out. But yeah, the weather is what it is. It is windy, it is chilly, it is rainy, but it cannot stop us, right? Not stop us. These are just instant happiness. Woo! Oh, beautiful. Chocolate tour was super cool, and now here a little swim, amazing. So yeah, there you got it. That's your tour. Kingston, Ochi, do the chocolate tour. Come to Laughing Waters, get the dip, enjoy the water, and then go for lunch. I think I'm gonna go to Chef Vita. Yes. Delicious vegan Ital food. Yeah. Look at the pelicans. Oh my god, these places just make me happy. I don't know. It's so beautiful. Like just this combination. Water, ocean, waterfall. Ocean, waterfall. It's just so beautiful. A good thing we came here, right? I was so excited to go and check out Chef Vita. You guys remember Chef Vita? Yeah? And now the place is closed for today due to a function. Alright, so we're gonna check out Calabash. People, so Nicole is going to Ciao Bella, Italian place. I got my burger from Calabash. It's an Ital restaurant here in Ochi. So good. Yum. Yum. It's a veggie burger. That's so good. I have never tried their burger and they're so good. Guys, veggie burger from Calabash restaurant, Ital restaurant. That's the deal. And spicy. Yum. And plantain, cucumber. Yo, nice. Oh my god, I found my new go-to meal in Ochi. In Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal in Jamaica. Yeah! People, you know who we have here? We have here Jabem. Jabem itself. Greetings. See guys? That's what's up. Hi.
Hey.
Just pass and see you guys. So I say we'll get a little footage.
Yeah man, do that man.
Jabem big up on yourself. See? Yeah. Help save Jamaica from being a Chinese colony.
Let me show because I like to show. This is aerial footage of what happened. So this is actually the area that the Chinese is going to take. They claim that it's 167 acres, but we got an access to information request allowed us to learn that it's 741.3 acres. All right? And these are the different phases. 848 houses to house almost 4,000 people. Now, I want to show
River. Yeah. Save in the river. We don't have any water. There's a river over there.
Yeah.
It's 2 rivers.
Yeah.
It's taken with this property. And all our ancestors' grave is on there. They dig up the graves.
Oh.
This is a prime piece of land here.
So they're taking over that piece of land now.
That's the river is over there. The building, the highway. Gifted.
So
Yeah.
what happens is
So that's the river where the what do they call it? Laughing water.
No, it's roaring.
Oh, it's roaring.
Laughing water.
It's up there. Laughing.
Look here.
Is that the same as laughing water?
No, just a minute. Over there is rolling river. Over here is laughing water.
Ah. So the two gone.
Devon that.
Both of them gone.
See guys, we have Devon himself in our place.
You know what I mean? Come on, Jessica. Big up breath to God.
Yeah, we're outside.
Yeah, outside with there.
Yes. For our beach rides.
Beach rides.
Let's go. Today's one.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Don't lose our beaches, rivers to corruption. Fight for our right. That is it. People, Devon himself, yeah. Stand up for something or fall for nothing, guys. We have to. Yeah.
It seems like there's a public-private partnership with government and some unscrupulous people will take over our place. Create mischief, tell lies, create mischief, start a war, and there's a murder, and then they go and come in and take over.
I use that as
a strategy. It's a public-private partnership. Strategize against the real people. Take away their special, nice little spaces you have, and then they turn it into theirs.
And then the people of Jamaica have no right to access it.
Leaving us with nothing.
So Jamaican must afford.
It's got to stop. It's got to stop. And somebody, we got to start somewhere. And we are the pioneers in this thing.
Yes.
But we are calling all Jamaicans to wake up and defend your right.
That is it. All right, people. So I've been just passing through and actually saw Jabem, guys. So out here now, today in Ochi. Because it's always the same thing. They're just selling out the lands, the rivers, the access, and then people of Jamaica are just left with nothing. Cannot access river or beach, just like this. Pretty beach down there. See guys, the nice thing I posted a while ago, actually they said I cannot go there.
Everybody
And then they send me back out. I did not know. I just was like, okay. That's crazy. Hi, greetings. We need justice for our beaches, see people. That is it.
Yes, man. Yes.
Yeah. Right.
Water, you know.
Roaring River is not for sale.
That's why the solar was closed out.
So that river where they call Laughing Water, that's
the
Roaring River?
Yes, Rolling River.
One of the biggest waterfalls used to be across here. Before the Duns River Falls,
Yeah.
the biggest waterfalls are there was over here. But they blocked that line from way up in the mountain and then the pipe it come down.
So basically this is a passage to environmental permit. So they're planning on building something.
Building up houses.
Yes.
This was like a road from slavery days right to the slavery house.
Yeah,
There's a slavery house up there.
Yeah, that's a slavery house up there where they did need to make Marcus Garvey Museum.
Yeah.
The government sell it out, so we don't have no culture back for us.
Yeah, no history.
Yeah,
no history.
it's all about money. It's not about our strength in Jamaica. So they take the water, put it in a pipe, spin the wheel down here to make current, generate current. So we didn't have water different if I run through the riverbed, same way where we go and swim, get the fish. When water can't swim our boat, we have to come there, catch water for drink, water for wash and all those things. So now since they put up these fences, we cannot cross it with security. So they put on the fence.
Yeah, I see it. No passing, no trespassing, and it's fenced off.
Swimming,
No
fishing.
swimming, no fishing.
There's where we used to go and catch a little swim, cook a little pepper pot.
Crayfish and
Yeah, crayfish and such. And with children and such, we don't go and have a swim. They take it all away. And they're not just doing it here, they're doing it right through. We have little Duns River where we create from 40 odd years to year. Nobody never recommend it till people start come, the government and whosoever. And what they're doing, they're not developing up to the people here. They're developing up like a foreign people.
Yeah.
You understand? So we have nothing to get. This is what we grow into. We don't know nothing more than this what we use to live off of. You understand? And then bring in this system now where they sell it out. They don't care what us do. No.
And these investors now put back nothing in our
And then by the time the people wake up, it's going to be too late.
Right.
Too late.
Everything sell off already.
I
Too
guess we
late.
have
And
to
you can't.
stand up from now.
Right. Right.
People are moving open up the voice more, you know?
Yeah. It's serious, people. It is serious. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. If you're interested in this cause, I'm gonna leave the Jabem link in the description so you can go on there and be part of it, support. There's a lot of information how you can get involved, how you can support. There's different ways you can support. So go and check it out. All right.
Now
Yes,
we need this.
yes, yes.
Two of us cannot really do this.
Right, right. Information and education has to go out around it.
Jamaica wasn't like this before.
No. Lockdown in Kingston.
Yeah.
Kingston had me lock up.
All right.
Work. And the weather, you know, the weather.
So you're with us tomorrow at Portland, right?
No, really. It works. Kingston. You in Portland tomorrow?
No, the Blue Lagoon rally.
Oh, that's tomorrow.
You know,
Oh,
You talk to them, man? Since you're there?
just hi.
From the village,
Right.
Spear Town used to come and get them swim, but now there's nowhere for them.
See guys how they fence this off? It's all fenced off. Cannot pass it. Yeah. And you see how beautiful it was? Yeah, it's another sign, private property. So basically, there's no rights. Anybody with money can come buy up
but I'm
These
not
lands.
convinced
All of the
because they have
access
both
to our
a
life
year of the
has been sold.
Yeah, right. Which we in Jamaica is unique in this because in other islands that such thing is not possible. There in other islands you cannot.
And the government don't realize this in the 70s, 80s, towards which are born and grow here. My name is Marvin Dunn. I go in Dungeon. Born and grow. And if the government don't realize that we the people will make the culture and tourists love Jamaica. From those days, make tourists can tell them friend about Jamaica.
Absolutely.
We the people. Then what we are, clean and build up the hotel.
Okay. That's all, and that's all the signs. So like, let me stop and see.
Thank you for that.
What's going on? There, you know, just pass through and say, wait.
I pass, you pass?
Yes.
I think I come, you come.
No, no. It's a spontaneous trip. I didn't even know this is happening today.
Really? These cameras.
Yeah, they're super. They're excellent.
Yeah, we are recording, we're live.
Yeah, we're live here on the grounds.
Yeah, right at Roaring River. Where the Roaring River meet Laughing Waters. The iconic Laughing Waters. You should check that out when you can, if you can, because it's blocked out, and this is why Jabem struggle is very important.
As a matter of fact, I didn't even know, and I walked down there in my ignorance until somebody came and said you cannot be here.
Really?
Yes, I did not know because earlier I was asking where is Lot. I'd never been there, so I was asking. They say, yeah, man, over there, the locals.
Yeah.
And then eventually I reached down there. Nobody did stop me, but then security find me. Yeah, and they said I cannot be there. So they told me wrap up.
Yeah, man. So that's why we're fighting. We're fighting for the 494 miles around the coast. So all Jamaicans and friends of Jamaica can really access these beaches and rivers. And so join up with Jabem, follow up with the struggle, and get your voice out there because we have to protect our ecological heritage, our rivers, have to protect those. And that's what the struggle is about, environmental justice.
Yes. All right, people, if you are interested in this cause, I'm going to leave the link in the description, jabem.org, right? And so if you want to be part of it, help, invest, any form of help is very welcome. Go and check it out, and you can find out how you can be
Portland tomorrow, Blue Lagoon.
1 to 4.
1 to 4. Yeah.
Hold on, that one, where, yes.
One back with water, one back with beach, one back with water, one back with beach.
Have you heard this? So, be part of the
Control Act is a colonial law that precedes most of us under 60 years old. And what it does, it says that Jamaicans have no right to our beaches. We can come up to the high water mark on our beaches. But if we enter the land behind those beaches, we can be prosecuted. So therefore, it gives Jamaicans no right. Those of us who don't own land close to the water, we have no right to that. So therefore, what we need is for more public beaches as secured by government, and those beaches that are already established under the Beach Control Act, that the government remove infringement that the Beach Control Act has.